Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to swap face in Canva. First, just open Canva, either the app or the website, and then just create or open any designs that you want like this. And then next, just upload the photo where you want to replace the face. And then now just go to apps, and then just search for the face like this. And then just choose this app. And then just select the photo that you just uploaded, just tap on it and then tap on your selected image like this. And then next just upload the second photo, the one with the face that you want to use. Just tap on plus button, this one, and then just choose the photo like this, and then just simply tap on swap face. And okay, like this, you can see these results. And then next just tap on add to designs. Okay, like this. Next you can just resize it, edit it as you like, and you're done. And okay, that's it for today's tutorial. If this helped you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.